Join me as I dive deep into TSLA stock predictions and try to guess what's next for its future. TSLA stock has been on a wild ride lately, with its price fluctuating rapidly. If you're an investor or just interested in the stock market, you're probably wondering what's next for this electric vehicle giant. In this video, we'll explore the current trends, challenges, and potential catalysts that could drive TSLA's stock price in the coming months. One of the biggest challenges facing TSLA is increasing market competition. With more and more automakers entering the EV space, TSLA's market share is under threat. The company is also facing economic headwinds, such as rising battery costs and supply chain disruptions. Regulatory hurdles are another concern, with governments around the world implementing stricter emissions standards and safety regulations. The competition is heating up, with established automakers like General Motors and Volkswagen investing heavily in their EV offerings. At the same time, new entrants like Rivian and Lucid Motors are gaining traction. TSLA needs to continue innovating and improving its products to stay ahead of the curve. The company is also facing pressure to expand its product lineup and enter new markets. Economic factors like inflation and interest rates are also affecting TSLA's stock price. Rising interest rates have made it more expensive for consumers to buy cars, which could impact demand for TSLA's vehicles. The company is also dealing with supply chain issues, including shortages of essential components like semiconductors. Regulatory risks are another concern for TSLA. The company needs to navigate complex and ever-changing regulatory environments in different countries. For example, TSLA needs to comply with strict safety standards in the US and EU, which can be costly and time-consuming. TSLA's financials are looking strong, with the company reporting impressive revenue growth and profit margins. Its recent quarterly earnings report showed a significant increase in revenue, driven by strong demand for its vehicles. However, the company's expenses are also rising, driven by investments in research and development, marketing, and expansion into new markets. The recent news around TSLA has been mixed, with some analysts expressing concerns about the company's valuation and others seeing it as a long-term growth opportunity. Market analysis suggests that TSLA's stock price is influenced by a range of factors, including its financial performance, industry trends, and broader market sentiment. Looking at TSLA's financials, it's clear that the company is investing heavily in its future. Its research and development expenses are significant, but they're also driving innovation and growth. The company's balance sheet is strong, with a solid cash position and manageable debt. The market is also reacting to TSLA's recent announcements, including its plans to expand into new markets and launch new products. Some analysts see TSLA as a leader in the EV space, with a strong brand and loyal customer base. Others are more cautious, citing concerns about competition and regulatory risks. One key insight is that TSLA's stock price could be driven by its upcoming product launches. The company is expected to unveil new models and technologies in the coming months, which could excite investors and drive the stock price higher. Another potential catalyst is TSLA's expansion into new markets, including Asia and Europe. The company's autonomous driving technology is another potential driver of growth, with some analysts seeing it as a game changer for the industry. TSLA's focus on sustainability and renewable energy is also a major selling point, with many investors looking for companies that are making a positive impact. In terms of specific predictions, some analysts see TSLA's stock price reaching new highs in the coming months. Others are more cautious, citing concerns about competition and regulatory risks. To sum it up, TSLA's future prospects look bright, with potential catalysts like new product launches, expansion into new markets, and autonomous driving technology. However, the company also faces significant challenges, including market competition, economic headwinds, and regulatory hurdles. If you've got thoughts on TSLA stock or want to share your own predictions, leave a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights and updates, and I'll catch you all in the next video.